Hey, welcome back. Good to see you again. Welcome back to the Blue Collar Bar.
Hi, how are you?
Great. Yourself?
Oh, I'm great, thanks.
What can I do for you today?
Well, tell you what, had a long day at conferences and meetings today, and in this hell-forsaken city, it's tough to find a cocktail that aligns with my alternative religious beliefs. I'm talking about the Dark Prince, okay? Beelzebub, Lucifer, the fallen angel. Talk about Satan, the devil.
I see.
I'm a Satanist.
I see where you're going. I understand. I have just a cocktail for you. I have El Diablo. They call it the Devil's Cocktail.
Ooh, what a serendipitous series of events after a heretofore brutal day.
Tequila okay?
Absolutely.
All right. Let's make the El Diablo. 2 ounces of tequila. We're going to do Castilleros today. You can use any tequila. Blanco, Reposado, Añejo, whatever you'd like. We're doing 2 full ounces into a cocktail tin. Next for yourself, sir, we're going to do 1 ounce of fresh lime juice. We're going to add ice now. Give it a shake. Open it up. And with your highball glass, full of ice, take a Hawthorne Strainer, strain it up, but leave room for the ginger beer, about 3 ounces. And for the dark stuff, we use Crème de Cassis. It's a black currant liqueur. We're just gonna drizzle on the top, and that will create a little purple haze effect. Ooh, scary. Garnish it with a lime wheel and a nice dark straw. There you have El Diablo.
That's a wonderful looking cocktail.
Oh, thank you. Well, cheers. Be careful. Give it a shot. See what you think.
Great. Avete, omnis, satanum, dominum, magistrumque, et tremium.
Cheers.
All hail Satan, my Lord and Savior.
Okay. I hope you like it.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what, that is just a delightful drink.
Is that it?
That hit the spot.
Oh my God, great.
And if I'm being honest, I was getting a little bit tired of drinking the blood of lamb every single time I'm trying to take a load off after work.
That's exhausting.
I swear to Satan.
Well, I'm happy I found a cocktail for you opposed to the blood of lamb.
I'll tell you what, you're doing the devil's work, sir.
All right, I'm happy I'm serving somebody. Well, if you like this cocktail, please like the video. If you don't like this, subscribe for many more other cocktails. And follow me on Instagram at the Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks for coming today. Be safe, careful, and we'll see you next time.